Good morning, I'm Will Desborough, I'm the area manager for Playdale here in East Anglia, and this morning I'm in Leiston in Suffolk where I'm visiting a phase 2 project which we started back in 2017. This was a project we installed first for the toddlers and now we've just completed the junior phase. Let's go and have a look. So in phase 1 we installed the toddler playground as I'm showing you. This is the original installation, installed in 2017. But let's go and have a look at the play area we've just completed. So firstly, for the juniors, we've installed a big basket swing. Stainless steel structure, stainless steel chains, and a big basket for all to sit in and play together. Moving round the site, we've got one of our city traversing walls with 3 different traversing sections, including a rope section. And then one of our brand new big city structures on a 1.9 metre tower with this fantastic spinning element at the end, which you can stand and spin on. We've got a climbing twisted net, a traditional stainless steel slide, and on the other side a nice challenging climbing wall. Some of the detail on this product is fantastic. With stainless steel security fixings throughout. Sitting on this beautiful play matter surface. And then in the second area we have one of our dynamic moving structures, our rotor bounce, recently improved with new seats, new fixed handles and a new bearing system. Fantastic play value, loads of fun. This item spins and rocks and covers lots of different age groups. And the second piece on this pad, our gravity bowl, a hugely popular piece where you sit in and spin. Great for disability access as well. So let's have a look at the whole site. Beautiful space with all new Playdale equipment in. Let's have a spin. Whee!